Hey guys, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. We are quickly heading into the end of the year, which means lots of parties and get-togethers. So today I have a party makeup look for you, but it's a more neutral party makeup look. If you're familiar with my videos, taking it easy on the eyes and making them less dramatic is not my thing. So I went against all my natural inclinations when I was creating this eyeshadow look. So a lot of just neutral shades, some shimmers, light lash line, lots of mascara, no false lashes though. This mascara, you don't even need false lashes. It's so incredible, it's from Benefit. And then I took it easy on the face, just light contouring, matte shade highlighters, matte blush. But one does want a hint of color, so I did go with a little bit of a red lip. So if you're looking for a party look that is fun, pretty, but not too over the top like most of my other makeup looks, look no further. I've got you covered. So here is my neutral party makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. So I'm going to start with the shade Catnap, that matte coral shade, and just start to work that through the crease of the eye. We're just going to start with a really basic shape, running the color all the way through the crease, rounding just a tad. A really basic, simple eyeshadow shape. Same thing on the other side. Very neutral, very classic. Nothing too crazy. Then we're going to blend that out with a blending brush. Make it even more diffused. Not too harsh. Just a nice little frame. Next we're going to take a champagne shimmer shade and put that all over the lid for a nice wash of that light color. And then just meet it at the seams of the crease with our light coral shade. Just a really light shimmery champagne color. Nothing too over the top. We're going to use a matte off-white shade just to highlight the brow bone, meeting our crease shade, just to give everything a nice highlight. Then we're going to take a matte black eyeshadow and trace that along the lash line. Instead of using a liquid liner, that would be a little more intense. This gives us a more subtle definition to the lash line. So just slowly work that along the lashes, taking it in a tad at the inner corners. And then turn the brush, because it's an angled brush, to get a tiny little wing. Nothing dramatic or big, just a little bit of a shape. It's just a little bit of pressing and then a little bit of tracing right along the lash line. Next we're going to take a mascara and we're going to put that all over the lashes, since we're not using false lashes, because we want to stay a bit more neutral and subtle. Use a really nice volumizing mascara. This one's from Benefit. I'm a big fan because it really does fan out all your lashes and almost give you a false lash appearance. So just keep applying that to your lashes. A couple coats. Just a tiny bit on your lower lashes. Not too dark, but just enough to define the tiny little lashes on the bottom. Use a concealer and just clean up any fallout you might have from the black eyeshadow. I just use my finger, and then I use a typical concealer brush. This one was discontinued. It was by True Rituals. I think it was a Sally Beauty brand, but there are plenty of concealer brushes you can find that work just as well. A matte light bronze contour color, and gently start to trace that under your cheekbone. Just going gently along. Not a real strong contour if you're trying to keep things more subtle. And just blend it out with your fingers to get a really soft appearance. Nothing too strong. Then take a matte highlighter shade in an off-white and gently pop that on the tops of your cheekbones, under the eyes, just for subtle highlight. Next, take a pink blush and just blend that onto the apples of the cheeks. Blend it out if you get a little too much color. It's really easy to work with. And I did want one hint of color, so I went with a red lipstick, liquid lipstick. So I just traced that along the lip line. Kind of like making your own lip liner. That's what I like about liquid lipsticks. You can really define the shape you want. And then just fill it in. This is a really pretty red rose shade. Really works for any skin tone. Very complimentary. Here we have our finished neutral party makeup look. It's very less is more, with just a hint of color on the lips. Great for any type of party, office parties, family, friends. Very wearable, very easy to create. And that about covers my neutral party makeup look. It's still fun, it's still shimmery, but it's a little more understated. For me, that is. Maybe it's over the top for you. I hope you enjoyed it. You can check out the blog for more details. Stay tuned for another party look that will be less understated and more in line with my other makeup look. If you liked this, obviously give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I hope you have a great day. I will see you next time. Bye.